Welcome to CodeDroid Labs, your Zoho partner. Today, we're going to dive into something pretty special, Zoho ERP. Now, you've probably heard the term ERP before. It stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. But what does that really mean? Well, think of it as the central nervous system for your entire business. And Zoho has built one from the ground up, specifically for the unique way business gets done right here in India.
So, let me ask you this. Every business starts with a powerful vision, right? But keeping that vision alive day to day, well, that's the real challenge. Because that big idea doesn't just live on a poster on the wall. Nope, it lives in the details, in perfectly reconciled books, in knowing exactly what your inventory looks like, and in having a cash flow you can actually, predict.
For years, ERP software was meant to add structure. But let's be honest, it often became this rigid, clunky thing that was totally disconnected from how we actually work. This slide just nails the contrast. Modern businesses like yours need to move fast. You need intelligence that understands the context behind the numbers, not just raw data. And you need software that adapts as you grow, instead of forcing you into a box. And that is exactly the gap Zoho ERP was designed to fill. It's not just an update to an old system. It was built from scratch with a completely new design philosophy made to meet these modern realities head-on.
I love this quote because it gets right to the heart of it. The core belief here is that powerful, sophisticated software shouldn't require a special degree to use. It should feel intuitive, it should feel natural, even when it's handling incredibly complex work behind the scenes. And this philosophy isn't just some marketing tagline. It's the real result of over 20 years of experience. I mean, think about that. 2 decades of building software, of watching how real businesses use it, and learning what works and what really doesn't. All of that hard-won knowledge is baked right into every single workflow. It's like the software has its own institutional memory.
So how does Zoho ERP actually pull this off? How does it feel so natural and intuitive? Well, it all revolves around an intelligent layer that acts as the very heart of the entire platform. And that intelligent heart has a name, Zia. Now, this isn't just any old AI. Zia is a private AI that works across your entire business. And the key here is that it understands context. So instead of just crunching numbers, it might see a large purchase order come in, check your inventory levels, and then flag a potential stock shortage before it even becomes a problem. That's the kind of genuinely useful insight we're talking about. Okay, so let's see how this all comes together. A huge pain point for any growing business is juggling dozens of different disconnected apps. It's a mess. Zoho ERP tackles this head-on by unifying every single one of your core operations onto a single, cohesive platform. And this table gives you a fantastic snapshot of the scope. We're talking about finance, getting those books closed fast and accurately. We're talking operations, building a supply chain you can actually count on. And of course, we're talking people, managing your workforce with care. The real magic is that it's all interconnected. When everything is in one system, you finally get consistency, accuracy, and true control. But look, a one-size-fits-all approach just doesn't cut it in the real world. Zoho gets that. So while the platform has an incredibly flexible backbone for any business, they've also gone a step further. They've created purpose-built solutions for the specific realities of different industries. To start, they've developed these really deep, focused solutions for 4 key sectors: manufacturing, distribution, retail, and nonprofits. But what's really exciting is that the platform is engineered to expand, so this is just the beginning.
So what this means is it's not just a generic tool with a different label. For manufacturers, you can manage the entire production lifecycle. For distributors, it's all about strengthening connections across your whole network. Retailers get end-to-end support. And for nonprofits, it's about creating a totally accountable financial backbone.
Choosing an ERP is a huge decision. It's a long-term commitment. It's about how your business is going to operate and grow for years to come. Zoho ERP was built with this in mind, to be a partner for that entire journey ahead, not just a tool for today. And this right here is absolutely key. The platform is designed to scale right along with you. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you're managing operations across the country. It's built to support you at every single stage of growth, from your very first customer right through to your millionth. So if you're intrigued by all this, getting started is incredibly straightforward. Zoho offers a full-featured 14-day free trial with no strings attached. You can get in there and really explore the entire platform for yourself. And if you have questions or want to see how it could fit your specific business, That's where we at Codroid Labs come in. We can help you make the most of that trial and see if it's the right fit, all completely commitment-free. Which brings us to the final, most important question. What does the next chapter for your business look like? And could having a truly unified, intelligent, and adaptable system be the key to writing it?